What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Here's an update with regards to MetaX. So we can see here that AI MetaX.live is now disconnected. So let's check it out. Alright, there you go. So let me refresh this now and you'll see that this site cannot be reached anymore. So guys, don't panic. Here's an update from Brain, the creator of this project. So hosting server is restricting crypto sites because AI MetaX working on Cryptomatic blockchain. We don't know why hosting providers suspending like this. Don't worry guys, our team will restore the website again as soon as possible. So that's the message from CryptoBull. So he's the creator of MetaX. So the reason why is that hosting server keeps on suspending crypto sites like this. So MetaX is just one of those crypto sites that has been suspended by this hosting server. So don't worry guys, the team is doing their best to solve this problem and MetaX will come back live again. So we can see that just 7 a.m. He has just announced this coming soon MTX coin. So there's a long-term plan about this project, and it's just that the server is disconnecting or suspending the site. So just now I received CryptoBull's message. So guys, don't worry about this. They are doing their best to resolve the problem. So for now, let's just wait until this was resolved. So I have also have the message from my upline. All right, so his thoughts about this. Hosting providers are against crypto. This is very bad MetaX facing issue from hosting providers. All right, so we all know that from MetaX.space, the developers has changed it into MetaX.live. Okay, they don't intend this to happen. CryptoBull is messaging me, so they are doing their best to resolve this problem. So let's just keep waiting and be patient. Everything will be all right. Okay, so yeah, just like I've said, he just announced the great news here, which is the coming soon of this MTX coin, which is a really great news for us. Okay, but unfortunately, because of the hosting server, they pulled down again our website. So let's just wait patiently guys. Okay, nothing to worry about. CryptoBull is really dedicated about this project, so all we can do for now is to wait patiently, and I'll update you guys once I have the latest update from CryptoBull. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. Don't panic. Again, this is just a common problem facing by MetaX, so there's nothing to worry about. The developers, they are not running away. Okay, it's just the server. All right, so as long as we know that they are doing their best to resolve this issue, then we are all good. Okay, so that's all my update. Again, do subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon here so you won't miss any updates about our projects. All right, so that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching. Happy earnings everyone. This is Baby Snow. Bye bye.